hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, I'm taking my 2019 Ford Mustang GT on a drive. Ever since I installed the new exhaust, I haven't driven it. This car sounds so great. Like the combination of the long tube headers and the BORLA Atak Exhaust, it's just a match made in heaven. It's incredible. It's loud but not very intrusive. I mean, now the window is down, obviously. It's loud, but when I close it, you know, the space here is livable. I can talk, I can have a normal conversation with someone without raising my voice, and that's all I wanted in an exhaust. I have a set of BORLA Atak on my 2011 Camaro SS as well, but they don't sound as good as in this car. It's incredible. And now I'm gonna go ahead and order a set of BORLA Atak for my 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT or Shaker Scat Pack. I don't know if BORLA can sponsor me. I mean, I've been rocking their product. I have a BORLA exhaust on the Camaro, BORLA exhaust Mustang. And now BORLA exhaust Challenger. It will be really good. Damn it, I love the sound of this vehicle. I will be getting a set of Brembo brakes, all four corners, because again, this car is making twice the power it was making stock, so obviously the brakes need to be upgraded. This car is a base model. Let me know, guys, let me know what type of videos you'd like me to make with this Mustang. I really want to take this car for a wash, but it's so low to the ground. When I take it to like Delta Sonic, it scrapes every time I go because the car is lowered, and I don't know what type of arm it's causing underneath the vehicle. So that's why I don't like taking it to Delta Sonic, but it's so dirty and it's too cold outside for me to wash it. So either I just take it to Delta Sonic and run the risk of it scraping in the bottom, or this puppy is so loud. Woo, it's crazy loud. I mean, I don't miss not having an active exhaust, because I would want, this is the only way I want to drive this car, this loud all the time. And it's so easy to get in trouble with this vehicle. Like, it's just so easy to go fast. And unless you constantly take a look at the dashboard, you are easily exceeding the speed limit. So you gotta be very careful with this vehicle. I haven't done a 60 to 130 try on this vehicle. I would be very curious to know what time I'll run 60 to 130 now that the car has a supercharger. And damn, like that you reach the speed limit. It's crazy. This is how a Mustang was supposed to sound. And I want to say a massive shout out to Tom at Roscoe Total Care. He's the one who helped me install the exhaust on my 2011 Camaro SS, the BORLA Atak Exhaust. He's also the one that helped me install the exhaust in my 2019 Mustang GT. And then I think he will also be the one that'll help. I mean, the exhaust is so loud now I wasn't able to hear the radar detector. I know earlier I said it was not intrusive. I mean, I don't know, it is captivating to say the least. So it's not intrusive. If you want to have a quiet conversation, you can still have, or you can still, I mean, you can still have a quiet conversation, but it's definitely not, you know, similar to your stock exhaust. It is